Well, here it is, another one, Declan's bushcraft shows. So that's quite pretty that I come to. The north or south side beds. This is on the south side of the bed burrow. Brewing up something different today than last stuff. And grill, burgers. Okay, here we go. But first things first, to get the fire going. Get that going. You picked a few more stuff from the surplus store. Beans open. Looks good. I'm going to have to chop the wood. Back, open up. I'm gathering everything up. There we go. Yeah, that much done. I got a big knot here, so we'll have to chop around it if you can. Okay. See if this is enough to get the fire going. Yeah. Just when you think you got it all, you don't. Okay. Okay, got that here. New gadget I picked up. This is a little toy to have. Yeah. And flexible, chargeable. And got a little tinder here. Oh, cotton, fucking Vaseline. Usually does a pretty good job. Okay. Fire going good first. Then the burgers. Somebody be stupid and drinking. Okay, like that. Spread this out if we can. This one too. Okay. There we go. And kind of like that. Here's the skin. Oh, it's the one. Okay. A little bit more tinder or cotton, and I know they're there, but see what else is in the bag here. Yeah. Help out. Okay. So another one of these. Okay, it's over there. Go like that. Oop. The little fire starting stuff picked up. Does come in handy. There we go. Oh, not quite the way I wanted it. There we go. Grab another one of them. And grab two of them. It's a challenge to get the fire going. It's been a while. Last time I had a fire was back in March of this year. So there we go. Okay. That done. So far. Got the buns here. I'll simmer down a little bit more for you. For a moment, get these toasted. I like my buns toasted at a campfire like this. Last campfire I had back in March, I believe. I was using the GI stuff. It was fun. Head down here, please. I had a little fire thing. Used starches, got that at the surplus. And we're always going back and forth with stuff, with prices. I have a video stuff that picked up, 3 items was over $40. And I got out flipped out to like this, under the off to the nearest dollar. So good enough. So next time should be different. Okay. Ones are done. Grab another 2. And get this. There we go. Yeah. Here's my little stick thing. Again, move it around. There. Make it better. Well, that one don't want to work, so there. Well, one way to do things. that I'm down by South Saskatchewan River. There's a fire here. I'm having fun, enjoying myself, trying out new stuff from the survival source. Like I said, probably that's where I got most of my survival equipment from, among other places. There we go. Here. There. Okay. Having these burgers. Try and cover it up. These are a little frozen, so take a little bit longer. Kind of hoping that these would be frosted by the time it was ready. There we go. Try and keep a good shot for you guys. And once I've kind of gone out to then the other. Okay, so put this over so we just can scan and try and get the side going.